678 here, and we're going on holiday today. As you can probably see, the car is packed. Well, this isn't even packed, to be honest. Full of stuff. Going camping. That's my dad's car. That's full of stuff as well. House. Quite cool, really. So, yeah, I'm just chilling. Got my lunchbox. Gonna have some food. Please could you check out, I don't know if Robin's got a channel, or check out TJ Quack 1234 and also check out Robin's channel. There'll be a link down in the description. And my next video will probably be in the car when we set off, watching a film. There's like going to be a thing attached onto there that we can watch a DVD or something. The DVDs that I have got, if I can find them. Where are my DVDs gone? I'm telling you. I bet my brother's taken them, to be honest. Oh no, he hasn't. Shaun the Sheep. Shall I take that one? Shall I watch that one? That one, Madagascar, or Frozen? Well, Frozen's quite good, but then again, the songs are my favourite. Let it go. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill. Okay, see you in the next video in about an hour or so. Enjoy yourself. Bye.